back. It's Jojo. What's up? What's up? Happy New Year. Happy New Year. I know that y'all wanted Bhola and me to react to this song together. Many of you DM'd, but she is still roaming the streets of Singapore, and it's not going to be possible to record with her for a while. For a while, because I'm also on chutti, and when she gets back home to Bombay, I will be on the move and not available to record. So it's going to take too long. Basically, it's going to take too long, and too many of y'all have this thing. So in my one of my last few sessions before last few kya one of my last ek aur hi hai, sessions, I wanted to get this song done with because I am highly curious to check this out. I mean, who would have thought Bayan and Hassan Rahim would come together? I know they are two of the biggest, music acts from Pakistan, but their vibes are so different. But actually, Hassan's lately been in the similar kind of zone, है ना, with Katena and 1 2 3 4 5 and all of that. So I see where common ground may have been found. But then you add Rovalio to the mix, and we know that production from him is always fantastic. So, and he's given some of the best like emo tracks in the scene, है ना. So I'm very very curious to see ये तीन दिग्गज खिलाड़ी क्या करके देते हैं हमें, and the fact that you all have hounded me to react to this makes me believe कि कुछ अच्छा ही दिया होगा. कुछ कुछ अच्छे से better basically. So let's just get to it. Let me quickly see. Okay, the lyrics are here. We'll go over them later. Composed by Bayan, Hassan Rahim, and Rovalio. Lyrics Asfar and Hassan. Produced by Rovalio. Mix and master by Rovalio. Cool. Video concept Saad Naseem. Amir Hamza. Calligraphy produced by Sarmad Shafiq. Okay. Fine. Oh, what is this artwork? Opening scene. Are they tied or is it Phasi? I don't know what is happening. Okay, let's just see what's going on. Mand. Mand apparently means faded. I had to Google it before I got on here. It means faded, dull, faint, eclipsed, all of that. Okay. 1 2 3 play.
मिले तो तुम कभी नहीं, मेरी हसरत क्यों भड़काई बेवजह, कि तुम बिना जिए अगर हुआ कैसे ना ये जीना आएगा. दरिया मेरे दिल का ये बहताना, दुखी दिल की सदा कुछ ये कहता ना, इसकी खामोशी की तू वजह है ना, दिल से तंग आ गया यही सजा है ना, उल्फतों में नहीं कोई पैमाना, मेरे अपनों का मुझसे ये कहना था, सुरमई तेरी आंखों में बह जाना, क्या पता तेरे गम में ही रहना था. सहते सहते दिल को गम खा चुका मेरी जान, क्यों यूं रहते रहते दिखे ना कोई दिशा, क्यों यूं सहते सहते दिल को गम खा चुका मेरी जान, क्यों यूं रहते रहते दिखे ना कोई दिशा. जो तू नहीं तो ऐसा मैं चेहरा के जिसकी खूबसूरती मांद पड़ी हो, ऐसा मैं दरिया जो बहना ना चाहे, जो तू नहीं तो ऐसा मैं चेहरा के जिसकी खूबसूरती मांद पड़ी हो, ऐसा मैं दरिया जो बहना ना चाहे. दरिया मेरे दिल का ये बहताना, दुखी दिल की सदा कुछ ये कहता ना, इसकी खामोशी की तू वजह है ना, दिल से तंग आ गया यही सजा है ना, उल्फतों में नहीं कोई पैमाना, मेरे अपनों का मुझसे ये कहना था, सुरमई तेरी आंखों में बह जाना, क्या पता तेरे गम में ही रहना था, क्या पता तेरे गम में ही रहना था। ऐसा मैं दरिया जो बहना ना चाहे।
Oof. Oh my God. I don't know why I felt like I was in a I was in a Rahman like world, you know. Yeah, Rahman. I think it was the production of it that made it feel very cinematic. And yeah, there were so many layers, so many layers that it was just very, oh, you would have to peel back a lot to figure out yeah, kya ho raha tha. But I have to say, the way their voices merged with each other, I did not honestly expect. I honestly did not expect because I just finished reacting to Radha Hassan ka gana, and his voice is completely different there. So this is his Katina voice times minus whatever levels of pitch and oh just ये low bassy voice में जो उन्होंने harmonizing करी है, my God, it just melted so beautifully together. Um, so yeah, that entire second half, and I was surprised because it starts with two lines from Asfar, you know, and then it goes into Hassan doing the hook or thing. Yeah, I think. Then I think Asfar comes in again, and then they do the ding 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 ding, and it was just beautiful. And then they end with the thing again, the Daryawala. Oh, wow, wow. Okay, so beautifully structured. And the way the music just builds and builds and builds, it was kind of, I had this feeling last um when I heard Jhol, you know, it just kept building and building and building and building and building. And I was just like, oh my God, maar hi daloge. Stop. So that happened here as well. And I was like, yeah. And then the way it ended with that last line, Aisa mein darya jo behna na chahe, that whole like that end with that sort of pullback. One sec, I have to hear it one more time. Yeah. In his voice, jo behna na chahe, and then slowly it fades out. Lovely. I don't know why fade outs are not used that much nowadays in songs. I think they're beautiful. Okay, so बहुत ही unexpected combo collab and बहुत ही unexpected vocal textures so beautifully complementing each other and बहुत ही beautiful writing. I mean, I've come to expect that from Asfar, and we have recently come to expect that from Hassan also. And I would love to know who wrote which sections. Did they write their own lines that they sung? Um, just very this thing. It's about you know, probably unrequited love and um, yeah, or just a heartbreak breakup situation. But very beautiful writing, um, and it's a very very easily loopable song. Just like again, I'm gonna go back to Joel because I feel like the progression and the build up was in like reminded me of it in so many ways, and that is again another song. It just emotionally makes you feel like, oh my God, it's saying what I've been feeling, and I need to stay in the zone, and I want to hear it over and over and over again till I have completely felt this emotion and I've completely nichored this emotional space till I'm ready to leave it. So this is a song that I will loop and people will loop for sure. Let's read the lyrics. They're right here. मिले तो तुम कभी नहीं, मेरी हसरत क्यों भड़काई बेवजह. कितने लोग रिलेट करेंगे इस लाइन से. यहीं पे मार दिया इन्होंने. कि तुम बिना जिए, कि तुम बिना जिए अगर हुआ कैसे ना ये जीना रायगा. I'm guessing रायगा means like empty or something, right? In vain. Yeah, okay. दरिया मेरे दिल का ये बहता ना, दुखी दिल की सदा कुछ ये कहता ना, इसकी खामोशी की तू वजह है ना, दिल से तंग आ गया यही सजा है ना. उफ उफ उफ. जस्ट इसकी खामोशी की तू वजह है ना. आई जस्ट कांट, आई जस्ट कैन नॉट विद दिस। दिल से तंग आ गया, यही सजा है ना। उल्फतों में नहीं कोई पैमाना, मेरे अपनों का मुझसे ये कहना था, सुरमई तेरी आंखों में बह जाना, क्या पता तेरे गम में ही रहना था। ओहो भाई साहब, ये क्या लिख दिया है। क्यों यूं सहते सहते दिल को गम खा खा चुका मेरी जान। Broskies, why are you writing like this? Why? I cannot. उल्फतों में नहीं कोई पैमाना, मेरे अपनों का मुझसे ये कहना था, सुरमई तेरी आंखों में बह जाना, क्या पता तेरे गम में ही रहना था। Oh my God, I'm sorry, I'm very upset because I don't like these lines. They're too relatable. They're upsetting me. हाँ, ये गाना बहुत लूप होने वाला है। I'm just saying, क्यों यूं सहते सहते दिल को गम खा खा चुका मेरी जान, क्यों यूं रहते रहते दिखे ना कोई दिशा। दिशा, the way he sang that was really nice. क्यों यूं सहते सहते दिल को गम गम खा चुका मेरी जान, क्यों यूं रहते रहते दिखे ना कोई दिशा, जो तूने नहीं तो ऐसा मैं, जो तू नहीं तो ऐसा मैं चेहरा, कि जिसकी खूबसूरती मांद पर परी हो, लिखा था। ऐसा मैं दरिया जो बहना ना चाहे। आई हैव टू फ्लो बट आई डोंट वांट टू। दरिया मेरे दिल का ये बहता ना, दुखी दिल की सदा कुछ ये कहता ना, इसकी खामोशी की तू वजह है ना, दिल से तंग आ गया यही सजा है ना। उल्फतों में नहीं कोई पैमाना, मेरे अपनों का मुझसे ये कहना था, सुरमई तेरी आंखों में बह जाना, क्या पता तेरे गम में ही रहना था। दिस लाइन, क्या पता तेरे गम में ही रहना था, जस्ट किल मी नाउ। ब्यूटिफुल, जस्ट ब्यूटिफुल। It's beautiful writing. It's beautiful sonic landscape. It's a beautiful overall production. It's a beautiful like vocal delivery by both, and just everything about it. I actually wish this one. No, actually, video ke bina hi acha hai, because then you can imagine your own story in this. Just beautiful. Is this from Bayan's album? I think it is, right? I think you all messaged me and said it is. I am not, and I think you all have requested another song from the album. Is it? Yeah, with Sana Moiduti. It's so nice to see Sana's name, especially in a collab with, Across the Border. I have been playing Sana's songs. She used to do covers back in the day. I used to play a lot of her covers on my show in on radio. So it's really nice to see a very, very familiar name on a track. So I'm waiting to get to it. It's got someone else, Weber Pani, on it. Tere Naal, I'll get to that next. But this was absolutely gorgeous. Bayan Hassan Rahim, one for the Hall of Fame, for sure. Thank you guys for requesting. And I am to abhi going to send it to Bhola. Why should she miss out? सिंगापुर में वो बारिश हो रही है बहुत, और वहां पे मैडम ये गाना लूप पे सुन सकती है आराम से. I'll send it to her now. So yeah, see you guys soon, and I will cover the rest of Bayan requests and Hassan Rahim requests as well very very soon. Take care of yourselves. ये गाना रोंदू playlist पे definitely जाएगा. I'll probably put it right at the top. In case you don't know what that is, check the description. The link is there. Beautiful playlist. I love it. It's the one I listen to the most. Check it out and take care of yourselves. I'll see you in the next one. Happy New Year. Live long and prosper.
दरिया मेरे दिल का ये बहता ना, दुखी दिल की सदा कुछ ये कहता ना, इसकी खामोशी की तू वजह है ना, दिल से तंग आ गया यही सजा है ना।